I may be a little bit surprised that I'm going up on this, but I want to speak on behalf of the Tibetan people and talk to you about our concerns. I'm sure you have heard about what's happening here right now, and I appreciate the fact that you mentioned Tibet in your press release yesterday. I think you, the IOC, can and should do so much more for the Tibetan people, and the Tibetan nation is suffering because of China's oppression right now. And I sincerely believe that you and the IOC is one of the few or one of the only institutions in the world that can hold China accountable, hold the Chinese government accountable for its actions in their ways. And I think what the IOC has done so far has been vastly insufficient in improving freedom and human rights, not just in Tibet, but all over China and the rest of China. So please, can you tell me how much more you can do and what you can promise in terms of how the Chinese government will change its behavior and policies in Tibet? Because I'm very, very concerned about more than 1,000 Tibetans who have already been arrested just in the last couple of days because of doing nothing more than peacefully expressing their views.
Well, sir, I respect very much what you say, and I respect the cause you defend. That is very clear. We have spoken on a regular basis in Lausanne with human rights groups. We have had meetings with Amnesty International. We've had meetings with Human Rights Watch. We've had meetings with Mia Faro and Save Darfur. We've had meetings with Free Tibet Group.
Can you tell me which Free Tibet group in particular you have
Can
met
you
with?
tell me who you are representing?
Yes.
If you want to speak to us, you are invited. Kindly to come to Lausanne, send us a letter telling us who you represent, who your group is, and if you are a credible group, we will absolutely be delighted to discuss with you.
Okay. Yes, I'm speaking as the Deputy Director of Students for
Sir,
Free Tibet.
Please,
Yes.
send us a letter with all your credentials to Lausanne. If you are considered to be a non-violent representative group, of course we will speak with you, like we have spoken with Free Tibet.
We have actually written letters to the IOC before, and we have received only one response so far, denying us any meeting or appointment.
I'm sorry,
So if you can give me your word, if you can give me your word.
I'm not going to engage into a discussion. I'm saying and I'm repeating. I respect your point of view. I respect the cause you defend. I would like you to legitimate yourself and make sure that we know exactly who you represent. And if you are a credible, non-violent group, then definitely we're going to speak with you.
That we are, absolutely.
Thank you very much.
We promise you that we will meet with the Tibetan groups. Mr. Rogge, you said that you will be a catalyst for change, that the IOC is a catalyst for change. It is not a panacea for all ills, and we understand that. And all we are asking is that IOC be a catalyst for change in Tibet and in China. Nothing more. You're not asking for much. I think the IOC, by being a catalyst for change in Tibet, can help the Tibetan people who are being killed and eliminated right now.
No.